In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payment on Booking.com. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to check your payout status, what to do if it isn't active yet, and how money reaches you either by bank transfer or a virtual card. Start by signing in to your Booking.com extranet. From the top menu, go to Finance and open Finance Settings. This is the control center for how you get paid. In this area, look for the section called Payments by Booking.com or something very similar depending on your region and interface updates. Open that section to see your current setup. Here you'll see a status indicator. If it shows as active, you're good to go. That means Booking.com is already set to collect money from guests on your behalf and send you payouts according to their schedule. You can expect funds to flow automatically without any extra action from your side. If the status isn't active, don't worry. Simply choose the option to add a bank account. Enter the requested bank details carefully and exactly as your bank provides them. Make sure the account holder name matches your property or legal entity details, and double-check numbers like IBAN or account and routing information. Small typos are a common reason for delays, so take a moment to review everything before saving. After you submit, Booking.com may run standard checks behind the scenes. You might see a pending label until activation completes. Once your status is active, the payment flow is straightforward. The guest pays Booking.com. Then Booking.com sends you a payout. Depending on your setup and location, you'll receive that payout by bank transfer or via a virtual card. If you receive payouts by bank transfer, funds are deposited to the bank account you added. Arrival times can vary by bank and currency, and your bank may apply incoming transfer or conversion fees, so factor that into your reconciliation. If you receive payouts via a virtual card, Booking.com will provide a unique card for each reservation. You charge it like a regular credit card for the approved amount within the card's validity period, using your existing terminal or payment gateway. Always check the activation date and currency shown with the card to avoid declines. That's the whole flow. Open Finance Settings, check Payments by Booking.com, confirm the status is active, add your bank account if needed, and then let Booking.com collect from guests and send your payouts by bank transfer or virtual card. Once this is set, your earnings will arrive reliably and on time.